إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم. Dear students, Allah Ta'ala mentioned in the Holy Quran, ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم, which means do not talk on a subject which you have no knowledge. So we try to put some light on this subject, and to calculate longitudes, dear students, you really need the knowledge of this prime meridian or the meridians. Just opposite side of the prime meridian would be the international date line. Let me take you there. So for example, if this is the prime meridian right here, and if you just go to the opposite side of it, and this side is not a straight, here it does not go a straight line. It's the international date line. To know about the international date line, you must have a knowledge of this international date line actually when this curve like this. See, international date line. Also, we have to know one more thing, that is, the Moccas. I mean, if we draw a line here, for example, if we draw a line, if we draw a line on over Kaaba right here, let me see my scale works or not. Okay, maybe it will. So if I draw a line here, let me change the color. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so here. Okay, so if we draw a line here, basically we move the prime meridian. See, this is the prime meridian. This one, this is the prime meridian, and we moved prime meridian to here to make it 0 degree. From this prime meridian to the Holy Kaaba, it actually 39 degrees. The difference is you have to go 39 degrees to the east. You have to move to 39 degrees east. In that case, this international date line will also move 39 degrees that direction, which means it will come somewhere here. Okay, so now, I mean, if I can take you to my, actually the next one. Yeah, here I did it actually. So if here is the Kaaba, if we draw this, if we consider this is prime meridian now instead of here, and from here 2 degree right here somewhere 2 degree. Let me take a different color. Okay, so right here 2 degree, there is Paris, and of course they have an argument, whatever. So this prime meridian, I move to this direction to 39 degree. So obviously this international date line, the opposite side of the prime meridian will come right here. Okay, so when we move it, and if we still keep the this actual prime meridian internationally recognized now, that we actually have to either if we keep it here and we calculate from Mecca, so we have to add 39 degree with it, or we have to subtract 39 degree. So basically it is not that complicated. We just bring it here over Holy Kaaba. And we're gonna start now calculation in our next segment, inshallah ta'ala. I hope it is not that complex. It is simple thing. You can make any place a prime meridian. So instead of England, as France wanted on top of them, but they failed to bid, we're gonna move this prime meridian to the on top of Kaaba, and then it is the 0 degree. Just to remember, now this will be the 0 degree. And the countries on this side will be called Eastern Hemisphere, and countries from this side will be Western Hemisphere. If we keep, however, the current prime meridian, then actually Kaaba falls on the Eastern Hemisphere. And if we move it, actually Kaaba is the 0° prime meridian. It is neither Eastern Hemisphere nor Western Hemisphere, neither one. Okay, so this is you have to remember that this is now 0°, and this is neither Eastern Hemisphere nor Western Hemisphere. So basically, the opposite side of this Kaaba, like the opposite side of this prime meridian was international date line. And if we make it here, the opposite side of Kaaba, this place, this dot, that they call the antipode of Makkah, this opposite point of Kaaba, this one, right? This one. And if we keep this one, this black dot over here is the opposite point of Kaaba. I mean, the prime meridian. So it is pretty straightforward. We don't need it. All I wanted to let you guys know that we considered prime meridian passing through Kaaba, which is again 0°. This side, Eastern Hemisphere, and this side would be Western Hemisphere. That's all. And next segment, we're going to do the math, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.